This is the library. This goes to library. This is the public library. Open, they call it open library. And coffee shops. This leads down to the cafeteria area. The rain is very unpredictable. It can start raining any moment. It's still raining a little, but I won't mind it. Now, this road was something unknown to me, but our director said that this is a shortcut from the hostels. The campus is so big that you have to have a shortcut, otherwise you would be 20 to 25 minutes at least from your blocks, hostel blocks to academic blocks. Scope is quite steep in here. I believe this is the block 2. This is the block 2, academic block 2. There we go. It is shown that the hostel blocks 16 to 20 go here, the shortcut. So this is the R&D center. I have very little idea about what happens here, but I have heard some important stuff goes in here. This all the important stuff goes in here. This is all the seniors hostel. If you want to make a startup, they'll support it, and you know you can make your projects in here. It is what it is. I forgot to mention this part, so I have to go around again towards the hostel block 3 and 4 and then start recording again. Now this road will go to hostel block 5. That's where I started recording from, so I'll now go there again. भाई कुत्ते तरा रहे, कुकुर ताड़ते सब. You can skip the video. I will not stop recording. You can look at it again in this angle. I'm not really into vlogging, so I don't know how this works. The Xerox stores in here. यहाँ रेड मारोगे तो पक्का भाई कैश निकलेगा बहुत सारा. बहुत बच्चे आते हैं यहाँ पे असाइनमेंट्स और करने, प्रिंट कराने, सब आएंगे यहाँ पे. So most of them have woken up. This part is the innovation center. I will tell you what's an innovation center. This is the block 4 in there. And this is the innovation center as well as block 4. It's quite a long walk right now towards the student plaza. Right, so it's a 5-minute walk. Now let's say what an innovation center is. Basically, let's say you have a startup idea and you want to pitch it to someone. You go to the innovation center, pitch it to someone, and maybe you can make a physical form out of it. You can do whatever you want with your ideas. Of course it will take money, but it is funded. If it is a good idea, you will get funding. It is being shown that they are being investing on research, Manipal as a whole, investing on research and startup. There has been a recent startup from Manipal that they made a refrigerator to store the vaccines. I don't know what was the name. I think BlackRock. They made that, and during the COVID times to store the vaccines was very important. They still import it to African nations, towards the poor people who cannot have access to world-class healthcare in the country. So the refrigerator helps us to store the vaccines for at least 12 to 14 hours minimum. That's a sort of idea which has been successful from here. Now most of the alumni, many alumni have been donating lots of funding, money towards the research and development. The R&D center was donated by one of the alumni and partly funded by Manipal as well. So there are good people as well in here. It's a long walk, to be honest, very long walk. I have to come here every day, like 5-minute walk. I will have a cycle, but no worries there. But when it rains, it will be very difficult. It rains all the time. We'll never know. You have to leave your cycle sometime. If you have classes, you have to juggle classes. And if it is raining, you cannot take a cycle. You have to leave it there to walk. So we are reaching the student plaza. On my left are the hostel blocks, the oldest ones, 5 and 6. The one of the oldest hostel blocks. This is a female hostel block. They're quite old, like when it was built, Manipal was built in 1950s or something, 1957. I assume it was the oldest engineering universities in the world. So that time the hostels were built. So it was very old, very old. You can see some artworks in here. Quite nice these. They're made by the students only. The director said that even he is not allowed to see them when they are actually doing it. Like the director is only allowed to see the final process, the final result. Another hostel block. This is block 13. Like, it's not like that there is sequentially 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like, it's not like that. It's like there's like 2, 3, 4 and then 13. Like that. This is the Rebels. Rebels is a party fest. Right? वहाँ पे party वार्टी होता है वहाँ पे. So वो October में होता है शायद. No. This is the tech Tatva. This happens in the October month. This is a technical fest. Tech Tatva.
Yeah, call her and ask about me.
And many cars in here. Same car. Another hostel. Now we are reaching the student plaza. Like, it's not anything special. There's shops and nothing else. When I heard first initially about student plaza, I thought there would be food at Domino's, KFC, all the fast food joints. But I mean, you can find eggs and all, like raw materials, and pre-made foods like Maggie and all. There are more artwork. Quite nice. This is now, it's not even 30% of the campus. There are a lot more to explore right now. I'll give you a brief about the student plaza. For now, this is the food court one. Quite a big court. Quite nice. looking, I must say. Very nice looking. So the hostel blocks, people who live in 2, 3, 4, 13 blocks, they can come here and eat it. Otherwise, they have messes in their colonies, Aditya mess and all. Food court is like a big thing. Go there and lots of seats, very big space. That's why many people prefer it. Also, the food is better somehow. This is the student plaza. These are actually the water fountains. Water sprays out of these. Right now it's not working. Working in the sense like it's not running. It will run in some given time periods. There's more to explore from here, but right now we'll go here. Right? Here. Most of the people speak Kannada or Tamil in here. Little. And sometimes Malayalam as well. There are lots of cars, man. You to get over it. These are all the female hostels. No, I was not living in here. It was down there. So I cannot show you that because I have to walk very a very steep slope, which I don't want to do because I have to go uphill in that slope, which I don't want to do that. I'm so used to walking on roads in my hometown that after a time I just walk on roads when there's footpath right next to me. The same thing happened right now. Like muscle memory at this point. It's another mess. Apurva mess. Lots of mess in another hostel block. There we go. Female hostel block, 13 number. All the hostel blocks. These are the female ones. Now I will go till the food court too, which is also quite far down. But we'll go again. You know, why not? Because why not? It's quite big campus. Like I'm getting pain in my legs all the time. Like it's aching, even though I can walk properly with it. I'm perfectly fine, but it's still aching. It is 9 in the morning. It's touching 9. I woke up at 5:45. I need sleep, but I can't sleep. My classes will start day after tomorrow. So I hope I could get some sleep before that. All the workshops will be done here, right? They are still making something, a construction going on in here. The roads are not good at this point because all the construction work is going on. This road leads to the another gate, gate 4, the back gate of Manipal. Most of the autos and all go there only. because you cannot go out in the gate 1 or 2, if I'm not wrong. I'll show my hostel vlog, but this road will go towards my food court. I have registered in the food court too. The thing is, if you register in food court too, you cannot go to other messes like Annapurna, Apurva, Aditya, and all that. You cannot go there. There you go, Annapurna mess right there. I cannot go there because I'm already registered in food court too. And you can change it, but it will take a month. If I apply now, the change will be applied after the month ends. Lots of greeneries. This road is quite beautiful. This leads to block 10. Lots of used cycles, like seniors' cycles, I guess. There. Lots of memories they hold, the cycles. Lots of stories to tell, to be honest. I'll show my cycle also. I bought it day before yesterday when I landed in Manipal. And this leads to the seniors hostel, block 10. Now block 9 used to be also a seniors hostel, but it got changed somehow this year. I will not go upstairs because I've already showed you my room. So bear with me. I will just show you the entrance. Now, just after the entrance, this is my cycle, geared cycle. So you have to take care of it all the time. I'll not take the cycle again because it's raining. I don't want to use the cycle and hold an umbrella at the same time. So block 9. This is my hostel. Also a very old hostel because we built way back before even I was born. So it's very old. Although it is renovated, you can see the signs of oldness in the rooms. The fact, after these monsoons, like the monsoon gets over in August, September, now the damp period starts. And there's so moisture in the air. The beaches next to it, 3 to 4 beaches in there. So all the moisture gets trapped in here. Therefore, you have to take care of everything. There are moisture absorbers to buy. I think I have to buy that. It's quite important here. Seniors, I guess. There is also a canteen under my hostel. I think I forgot to show that. But if you want something, you can get it from the canteen, the coffee and all. Go there. If you want to pull an all-nighter, you need that canteen, you need that coffee in your veins. Now, if you see all the cars in here, they're Team Manipal Racing, Formula 1 and all that, tech startups and all, everything is actually true. They really make it. They go and complete it nationally. Recently, in 2025, TMR, Team Manipal Racing, who builds cars, which I want to join. They went to US to compete with the other MIT, the MIT Massachusetts. So it's quite nice to see our campus is doing great. There's a construction going on, but it's for the good, the development. I am all for the development. A basketball court. There's also swimming pool there, tennis court. Oh, this is a tennis court. My bad. This is a tennis court. There is no nets in here, but it will be placed once the rain stops, maybe in winter months. Right? The tennis is quite nice. Tennis courts. The basketball course as well down there. I did not go there, otherwise the video will be even longer. Like all the workshops have been built in these all buildings. Maybe they will hold workshop for students. Maybe. I think all the student projects will be done here, if I'm not wrong. I think I'm very certain the student projects, all the teams will be here doing their work. Oh, holding the camera down all the time. Like I have to walk every day, like 10,000 steps is minimum, I guess, every day. I think I'll lose all my fat here, which is a good thing. I'm also eating very less. That's it. This is block 14. It is a seniors hostel. Now, block 9 also was a senior hostel last year, but it got converted to fresher. I don't know what will happen to this block next year. So, right now it is a seniors hostel, block number 14. That's high rise buildings. So, it has also its sister, block 15, replica. Rooms are same rebuilt. I guess the room number will be maybe up or down 2 or 3 number, I guess. The hostel blocks that are in pairs, like 1, 2, 3, 4, they are in pairs, right? 14, 15, 16, 17, 9, 10, they are all similar blocks. So everyone is going to food court 2 right now. Now, this is the main part. This is the worst part, to be honest. Oh, sun is coming today. I thought I would see no sun today. That's nice. Some sunshine after a very gloomy morning. A very gloomy morning. You know, it was extremely cold in the morning. Maybe it was 20 degrees Celsius in summer. Near tropical island, I'm sorry, not island, town, like beaches and all, 20 degrees Celsius, quite nice. Right now it's maybe 25, 30, in between 25, 30. It's block 15. I know it looks a little dirty, but you know, if you see the rooms, you will say, yeah, nice hostels, nice hostels. It's what the inside that matters, they say. So here we are. This is block 15, and back there 14. Right here 16 and 17. Another high rise. One of the best blocks for freshers, they say. But the worst part is they have to climb this slope all the time, every day, up and down. Maybe if they register in the food court like me, they'll come again here. They'll go up here every time, every single time. My English may not be proficient, but I'm trying. It will be. Yeah. Bear with me. Maybe the next time I make a vlog, I will be better. I have to go to SAC, where Robo Manipal, a student project, senior has invited me to join and see what's going on, what happens in there all the time. The slope is like 10 degree gradient minimum. It's so steep. I have to go uphill right now. This is the food court too. Now today I've eaten in cafeteria because I was near to it, so I paid for the food, but in the food court too, all the food I eat will be deducted from my mess charges, which is 58,000 for this year, 2025. So these stairs help a lot because they go directly in the food court too. Otherwise, you have to go round and round and round and round and round to reach this. If you have a cycle, then well and good, you can reach it downhill, but you have to go up then again. You have to go up hill in that slope. That is quite frustrating. Like I have to come here 4 times. 3 times minimum, 4 times. That's like ideal. Ideally 4 times I have to come here, go up, go to the academic block. Like what's the time now? 24 minutes? Took me 25 minutes to come here. Yes, you can take away all the time that I took to get to my hostel, but you get my point. It's quite far away. Everything is quite far away. This This is hostel 16 and 17. This is, I guess, 17. Those are the 16s. Don't go on the looks. It might look bad from the outside, but it inside is very, very nice. Like better than my hostel, obviously. They are the later ones, built on in 2018, I must, if I'm not wrong. And this is the vlog where I was staying yesterday, the hostel, girls' hostel. If you see the yellow thing, that's the girls' hostel. Like I have to climb even further down in the slope to reach there, which I don't want to do. It's like the entrance. Just show you the ground floor once. We do have a la carte, which is you can pay for the food if you don't like the mess food. Today the breakfast was not good, so I ate in the cafeteria. I can also have food in here. So it's sunny out here. So it's like you need an umbrella anyways. Like it's sunny, you need an umbrella. It's raining, you need an umbrella. It's quite frustrating, I must say. But we'll get over it. 2 months. We know how fast this year passed already. It's already mid-July. So time will pass on like anything. The rainy season will also get over, winters will come, autumn will also go away. Like that only. I will have a holiday in the last week of September. There are some sitting points in it. Some people prefer to take this route, I don't know why.
खोलने ना बाहर ही अंदर नहीं लेके
My shoes are wet, my socks are wet. Everything is wet right now. I don't know how will I live. There are literally pebbles inside my shoes. Because of all the construction going on, all the pebbles are getting inside my shoes. It's quite painful walking like that. Not painful, like very uncomfortable. Dissatisfying. There's a park in there, I don't know why. For whom, I don't know. If you want to take rest after a long day, maybe that's why. That's a good thing. I will take rest as well. I will go towards the temple after 10 minutes. That's that. It's a patchy in here as well. Oh god. पानी घुस रहा है पैर में. I might sit in here, take rest, drink water, and start recording again.